about this sand that you see, not only fish, this sand comes from the river. So there are a lot of blessings inside the river. Not only fish, anything. I know that there are blessings inside it. And I know one day we will discover there's a gold inside the river. One day someone will discover there is a gold, there is silver, there is brown, there is something of that. As we can discover sand to build, then automatically akwai zinariya da azurfa da wata rana za a ce an samu a cikin wannan ruwa. So Benue is blessed. I love Benue, and I believe that the land of Benue will keep opening. So if you go back to Jos, say your sister is doing very, very well in Benue, because Benue is blessed. So I want to say thank you, Jesus.
Thank you, Jesus.
Bye.
Okay.